Welcome back to CodeChef. Imagine you have 5 candies and you eat one. How does Java know whether you had 5 or 4 candies first? That's where increment and decrement operators come in. They let Java increase or decrease values efficiently, either before or after using them. Think of increment and decrement like stepping on a ladder. You can step up before taking a photo or step up after taking it. Similarly, Java lets you increase or decrease a number before using it, called pre-increment or pre-decrement, or after using it, called post-increment or post-decrement. In Java, the increment operator ++ increases a variable by 1, and the decrement operator -— decreases it by 1. Pre-increment or pre-decrement changes the value before it's used, while post-increment or post-decrement changes it after it's used. For example, if we have Java calculates each operation as follows. Plus A makes a 6 and assigns 6 to B. A ++ assigns 6 to C, then increases A to 7. A decreases A to 6 and assigns 6 to D. And A assigns 6 to E, then decreases A to 5. A few quick tips. Pre versus post matters in expressions. Increment and decrement are useful in loops, and they can be applied to integers, floats, and array indices. Now it's your turn. Try the beginner-friendly CodeChef problem called Increment and Decrement Practice, where you'll increase or decrease numbers in different ways and print the results. Today you learned that increment and decrement operators let Java increase or decrease values, pre-changes the value before using it, post-changes it after using it, and they're essential for concise arithmetic and loops. Keep practicing, keep coding, and remember, code, debug, repeat. Build mastery with CodeChef.